Is your C15 suffering from extreme heat, pushing coolant out of the radiator, or showing signs of decreased engine performance? You may be in need to replace the head gasket in your Caterpillar diesel engine. Minimize downtime and negative impacts to your revenue. Service your C15 the right way the first time. Install this new cylinder head gasket for your Caterpillar C15 from Highway and Heavy Parts. Quality engine seals are crucial to your Caterpillar C15's performance, and when they fail, they can cause all sorts of issues. At Highway and Heavy Parts, you'll get a cylinder head gasket set manufactured in an ISO 9001-2015 certified facility, ensuring quality and consistency for your Caterpillar diesel engine. Each part is crafted for maximum strength and durability to ensure your C15 cylinder head gasket set can withstand the rigors of the road. Guaranteed for fit and function, using the correct materials ensures gaskets have excellent performance and sealability. These gaskets are 100% asbestos-free material. With technical knowledge, quality products, fast shipping, and unbeatable customer service, Highway and Heavy Parts is the place to get you back on the road. Backed by a 2-year warranty and industry-leading service from our ASE certified technicians. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts, America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier.